Welcome, my dear kids and parents. Welcome, my dear kids and parents. You are all welcome to. You are all welcome to Step Forward Channel. Step Forward Channel. Hello, my dear kids and parents. How are you all? I am excited to see you all. Children, today our Jacqueline going to come to our classroom. Let's welcome Jacqueline first. Okay? Hi, Jacqueline. How are you? Are you happy, Jacqueline? Why did you came today? You want to watch my classroom? Okay, Jacqueline. We start our classroom. You go and sit and watch it. Okay? Okay, Jacqueline. Go and sit down. See, Jacqueline has came today our classroom. She want to watch our classroom. Let us welcome her. Children, Jacqueline has settled in his place. Now let's start today's class. Before start the class, let's see today's proverb, children. Okay? Never forget two people in our life. Who are they? The person who lost everything for your everything just to make win. That is your father. Okay? The second person is person who was everything with your pain. Who is that? Yes, that is your mother. Children, these two persons we should not forget in our life. Okay, children? We must give respect for our parents. So we have to take care our parents when they become old. Time when they need your help, you have to take care your parents forever, children. Okay? Now let's warm up. Today in warm up, I am going to ask some questions. You have to answer me. Okay? Where is your nose? Tell me soon. Tell me soon. Here is the nose. Here is the nose. Okay, children. Okay, children. Where is your head? Where is your head? Tell me, children. Tell me, children. Here is the head. Here is the head. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now, we are going to do the flying exercise. Okay? Come on, fly, all of you, like bird. Hey, like bird. Yes, we are the birds now flying in the sky. Now, come on, waves your hands. Ching, 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 ching. Ding, ching, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Hey. Now, let's start today's program. Today, I'm going to teach you one new written concept. Cursive A. This concept is for UKG kids. So, in UKG, the kids must use cursive handwriting. They have to learn how to write cursive letters. First letter of the A, I am going to show you how to write, children. It's easy only, but you have to practice well. Okay? Okay. Now, take your paper and pencil. Get ready, children. The basic, when we have to start to write, we have to use these colors lines only in written work. See the colors, see nicely. What are the colors you are seeing now? Children, tell me. Yeah, there are two colors, red and blue colors. Yes. Top and bottom there are two lines in red in color. In the middle there are two colors in blue color. So altogether 4 lines are there. We are going to use this line for cursive handwriting. Okay, children? Now let's start our written work. In written work, I told you we have to use 4 kinds of lines. The colors of the lines are red and blue. Now see the first step of the cursive letter. Lessons are I am teaching for UKG kids. Those who came from LKG to UKG, this is the first step for the written work for UKG kids. Okay, children. See the first step, we have to use only the middle 2 lines. What color they are? Tell me. Which color they are, children? Yeah, they are blue in color. First one, keep the dot from down. Okay? From here, you have to bend little the line and put standing line like tick mark. See here, like this, tick mark. This is the first step. Second step, you have to again put the tick mark like this, then go slanting line and bend a little from the like down curve, like down curve. See, this one is down curve, I told you, no? Like this. Go up and touch the first blue line and bend like this. Put like down curve, facing downside. Okay. You got it, children? Okay. Third step, same like this. What slanting line, children, this one? This is right slanting line. This is right slanting line. You have to put like this because it's going the right side, no? See here. See this one, put slanting line, then put like open curve, again touch here, only open curve, don't come and touch down the blue line, children. You have to stop here only, near the first blue line. Then go up again, go up, come reverse on the line. When you're coming down, here you have to turn. In the blue line, you have to turn that side. Like this one is right open curve. Okay, this one like this, right open curve. You have to put like this, open curve. Then you go and close the curve. Then if you closed, again you come down reverse and turn like one knot. Turn like right side. This is the small cursive A. Now fully we are going to write. See here, first slanting line. Okay, then put down curve, little bend, again come on, touch the line. You have to you have to put like open curve, right open curve, touch the line, open curve. Then go and touch it, join it, again come down. Then when you come end here, turn like knot. This is cursive A. Little bit for you, little bit it will be difficult to only, but when you practice it will come easy. First you have to practice slanting line only several times. See here, like this, slanting line, slanting line. So when you practice, it will come perfectly. Afterwards you go to the second step, like this, slanting line. You have to put little like this, knot for all, like tick. Okay, then come, put like this, down open curve, little bend, then again come reverse, come back, come down and touch the, here you have to turn like this. Don't go here. Some children, when you're writing, put like this, and again they will go in the end until the end. You should not go end. Okay. So when you come here, you have to turn like open curve, right open curve. Then go and close it. Close the curve like circle it will show. Like circle it shows. See? Then again come down like this. Then turn like this. This is okay. Come down and go the right side. Little knot. See again like this. Turn again. Go up. Close the curve like circle shape. You bring it. Then come down and turn it like this. This is put one knot like this. Like up curve. Up curve, how it is going? Like this. Small up curve. Small up curve. You keep it in your mind and put it. Okay, children. Like this you have to practice. LKG, how to hold the pencil. So from beginning itself you have to use pencil to write the cursive letter A, children. Okay. Practice several times in your rough notebook. Let it be. It's not like coming in line concept also, no problem. When you practiced only, it will come. So nearly 3 days, 4 days, you practice only A only, cursive A, this one. Small letter A, this one. Okay. Afterwards, you write with line concept. Okay, children. Today the section is over, children. We will see you with another concept in next class. Until that, stay tuned, wear mask, use sanitizer or soap to wash your hand, okay? And drink plenty of water, wear mask, follow the social distance. Nowadays the corona is coming very less. We are following the rules and regulations. We have started to follow the rules and regulations for the corona. Let's soon we send the corona from our world. Okay? Okay. Be happy, children. Always keep smile on your face. Bye. Bye, Jacqueline. Bye.